Hey all, Matt here at Bobcat Bonsai, and today we're just going to do a quick unboxing and get out these two new trees that I purchased on 99-cent bonsai auction. I know, I don't remember who told me about this site. I really can't remember which video I saw it on, but I kind of wish I would have never seen that video because, man, I think at least once a week now I buy something off of there. So great for everybody but my wallet, but that's okay. Let's get to it. All right, so here goes nothing. Let's get this little guy popped open. I actually remembered a knife today rather than using my shears. Right. Oh my gosh. So here we go. We got the tree all out. Now we just need to take a look what's inside here. I didn't bring any pots in, so that's something I'm going to end up having to run out and grab then. But very happy about this little purchase here, and the trees look really good. This one right here is a little Trident maple, so I'm super pumped about that. A lot of people said, oh, the wire marks are just too rough in there and everything. Honestly, I think it looks great. And then, oh, this little guy took a little branch damage down there, so we'll lose that one. All right, so as I was saying, beautiful Trident maple, and then this is a little Dawn Redwood. I feel like I made out really good on both of them, and I'm super happy about it. I guess next it's just going to be getting them all potted up then. So that'll be a different video. We just did a quick unboxing. Let's enjoy it. Alright, so hope you all enjoyed this video of my Trident Maple and my new Dawn Redwood that I just got in. Got them all unboxed and can't wait to get them potted up. I wanted to get a look at them first before I decided if I'm going to put them in a bonsai training pot, just a regular pot to let the roots grow, or if I'm just going to put them straight into a bonsai pot. And honestly, looking at it, I still don't know. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, I hope that you would subscribe to my channel because it helps me out. And if you really enjoy my content, please hit the bell notification so you can be notified every time I release a new video. Thank you.